What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Tether from Binance to Coinbase. So for those people who do not know Tether, Tether is a stable crypto and its value is equivalent to $1. So one Tether equals to $1 and it's always $1. That's why it's called stable coin. And for those people who do not know Binance and Coinbase, these are the world's top largest crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And if you guys also want to sign up into these, I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys use. You guys can get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move forward. So the first step is you want to go to Coinbase, and then what you want to do is go on send and receive, and go on receive. And on receive where it says asset, make sure to change it from Bitcoin to USDT. So Tether is also known as USDT. And then what you want to do is where it says this address, copy it. You copy the address, come to your Binance account, then go on wallet, and then go on overview over here. Now once you go on overview, what you want to do is you want to go on where it says withdraw over here, just like this. Now once you click on withdraw where it says Bitcoin, make sure to change it to Tether. So basically after you change it to Tether, where it says address, paste the thing which you copied from your Coinbase. And after you paste the address of Tether which you copied from Coinbase, choose the network. So BSC network has cheaper, transaction fee than Ethereum, like a lot cheaper. In Ethereum, it costs you more than $20, while in BSC, it costs you less than $1. So I will let you choose BSC, but it depends on whichever one you choose. And on amount, you want to choose the amount of Tether you want to transfer, and then click on withdraw, and the Tether will be transferred from your Binance to your Coinbase account. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand on how you guys can transfer Tether from Binance to Coinbase. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, everybody. Have a nice day.